website show up here in the top? Okay, organically, how do we make websites show up on the Google top? Correct. And I believe you all have got proper understanding on it, and hopefully you will be able to implement and rank the website on the Google. Okay, so now we're going to learn about how do we make websites show up on the ads part. Okay, these are our ads. Okay, so any idea, anybody has any idea what should be done in order to show our website here in the ads? If you have to show your business in the top, what should you be doing in the ads? No one knows, no idea about it.
No.
Okay. So there is an amazing tool or platform. See now, in order to show the results like this, you don't have to call your phone to Google, or you don't have to send a postal card, or you don't have to speak to anyone. Okay. So Google have created a tool, a software, through which you can make your presence on Google search like this. Okay. And how this works, so when somebody clicks on it, so when I click on it, Google is going to charge this company called KnowledgeEdge. Google is going to charge this company called KnowledgeEdge. Let's say it's charging some 50 rupees. When people click on this result, it's going to charge KnowledgeEdge 50 rupees. And if 100 people are clicking on it, it's going to charge 5,000 rupees. And Google doesn't care if people are purchasing this product or inquiring for this course with KnowledgeEdge or not. Google's main responsibility here is to show the result in the top and ensure that people are clicking on it. And it doesn't really assure everybody clicking on it. People might click on this, or people might click on this, or maybe on this. It's completely user's choice. But whenever there is a click happening, the company will be charged. This particular company will be charged. Is that clear, everybody?
Yes.
Yeah. So we're going to learn about how much it's going to charge, when it will charge high, when it will charge low, and if people really whomsoever visit to Google Ads are going to convert, purchase the product or service, what should we be doing if people are not purchasing, or should we be and how do we understand if people are purchasing it or not? So there is no point of wasting 1 lakh or 10 lakh rupees and then realizing that nobody is purchasing it, correct? And what all information is needed for you in order to decide if you should be running the Google Ads for your business or not. Okay, we are going to understand all of those things. Okay, so using this platform, see, anybody can sign up for this platform called ads.google.com. So that is ads.google.com. You can, if you have a Gmail ID or any email ID, you can use that email ID and you can register for Google Ads platform. Okay, we are going to learn every single bit of that platform. We're going to discuss that in depth. Okay, but even before we get started with that platform, at a top level, very top level, we have to understand few basics to get started or to start using the tool. Compulsorily, we have to understand certain things. Okay, so let's get started with the basic things. Okay, so now I was telling you we have to understand. Okay. See, using this platform ads.google.com, not only these kinds of ads, not only these kinds of ads, you can also run. See, these are called as search ads. These are called as search ads. Okay. You must have sometimes seen ads on the maps as well. Okay. So let me car repair near me. You would see ads here as well. Let me click on this. There are chances that, yeah, still look at this. There is an ad here as well. This is Google search partner. Google Maps is a Google search partner. See, there are two ads. You can show ads here as well. Okay, so first thing is Google search ads on the Google platform and ads on the Google partners. These are all Google partner portals. Okay, so next is ads like, these are called as Google shopping ads. Google shopping ads. We got to know about three types of ads now. One, Google search ads, ads on Google Maps, and Google shopping ads. Okay. See, all these ads are executed through this platform, and the ads that you see on YouTube, the ads that you see on YouTube are also launched using this platform. So, if you're learning this tool, you can run ads on Google search, Google shopping ads, YouTube ads, okay, ads on the maps, ads on various places like this. I'll take you to a website. You will see ads on this portal as well. Even these kinds of ads will also be executed through a platform called Google Ads. These are called as display ads. It's taking time to load, just hold on. How many of you have seen the ads on your Gmail?
Yes,
Oh, sir, I've not.
yeah.
Okay. So who has not seen it?
Sir, I've not seen it.
Okay, let me because I usually don't click on those ads. That could be another reason why it's not showing. Let me click on one of them, Orchid International Schools. Yeah. So this is an ad. You see here right side as well ad. Okay, let me take a screenshot of this. These two are the ads. So even these kinds of ads are executed through the platform called Google Ads. See, if you are learning Google Ads platform, you will be able to run various kinds of ads on different platforms, such as search ads, search partner ads on the search partner, such as Google Maps, Google Play Store, on YouTube, Gmail, display, Google Shopping ads. Okay, so close to 8 to 10 different types of ads, at least 7 to 8 different types of ads you'll be able to execute. Okay, but now we as a digital marketers, it's crucial to understand, should a business run ads on all these platforms? Gmail, I have shown you Gmail. Should you be running ads on Gmail or not? Should you be running ads on YouTube or not? And which kind of ads you should be showing on YouTube? I'll show you that as well. YouTube, let's go to the YouTube. So you see ads on the YouTube, like the text ads below the video, or ads to the right side or in the top. Those ads are also through Google Ads platform, and ads that you'll see between the video ads. You will see the video ads, right? Few seconds video ads from advertisers, so many brands. Even those are executed through Google Ads platform. Okay, I just want to update this screenshot for all of your reference here. Anybody has any questions or want to discuss anything around this ads part? Meanwhile, before we get out of the platform. Yeah. Yeah. So search ads. Search partners. One of the examples for search partner is see, all this, I don't know if you have wondered why is Google providing all this for free or not. Google Gmail is for free up to 30 GB or 10 GB, 10 GB, right? 10 GB space for free, correct? And you're free to use Google search engine and ask for anything that you want, it's free. So why is it giving all of that for free is to make money like this. Make money from ads. This is ads on Gmail and then shopping ads. We have the shopping ads as well. Okay, these are all Google shopping ads. How many of you are already aware of all these ads which we are speaking about here? Google shopping ads and then the display ads. Google display ads. But this is sponsored. I just missed it. This is search partner. Search partner is Google partners. See, Google, YouTube belongs to Google, Google Maps belongs to Google, right? Google Play Store belongs to Google. So showing ads on these places is called as Google search partners. Okay, your ads will appear. There is an option called Google search partner. When you tick that option along with the search, it shows ads on all the Google search partner websites as well. Okay, so I have already put here Google search partners, Google search, Google search partners, and first one is Google Maps. And next after this is Google YouTube. Or just I'll call it as YouTube. YouTube belongs to Google. YouTube is been acquired by Google. YouTube was some other company previously and that got acquired by Google. Okay. And then YouTube video ads are different. YouTube video ads. YouTube video ads. Let's go to one of the video.
Previous classes we understood what is needed to spend it on your Bangalore. Middle class trap. Right now I'm in Bangalore and I want you to look at that building.
So this is an ad, video ad. Yeah. So what are the different kinds of ads that you execute using this one single tool called Google Ads? Google search ads. The first one is search ads. Okay. And then you can execute ads like ads on the search partners, such as ads on Google Maps, ads on YouTube, ads on Play Store, Google Play Store. Okay. And This is called as ads on Gmail, Gmail ads. There is another name for this, discovery ads, Google shopping ads. This is also Google search partner only. This is not search partner, this Google partners, that's all. Google
So
shopping
what will
ads.
be the cost of all these things, sir, approximately?
Madam, your voice is not clear. Could you please repeat it again?
So what will be the cost for all these things, sir?
Yeah, we are going to discuss that. Okay. So as
Okay,
a
fine.
first step, we are just understanding how do we display ads on various platforms across the internet. These are called as display ads for search ads especially. The functions different for different types of ads. We'll get started with the search ads. Yeah. So if somebody is clicking this ride and repair, Google is going to charge this company ride and repair. Let's say all of us have searched for car repair near me and all of us have clicked on ride and repair. Let's assume 20 people have clicked. We all have clicked on the ads and now Google is going to charge ride and repair. Okay, so if each click is costing 20 rupees, 20 into 20 is going to be 400 rupees. Google is charging 400 rupees for ride and repair. And out of this 400 rupees spent, out of this 20 people, only one might inquire with ride and repair. So if you are inquiring with ride and repair, it's called as lead. Lead is a person who is expressing interest in your product or service and have left their details such as email ID, phone number, name are considered to be as leads in digital marketing. Right? Any person who provides their information expressing interest in the product or service is called as a lead. So now what is the cost per lead? Out of 20 people, only one person has inquired with ride and repair. What is the cost per lead, guys? How much did ride and repair spend to get 20 people? If each click is costing 20 rupees, and for 20 people, how much they have to spend? For 20 visitors to visit their website, how much should they be spending? Everybody, please. Is it that difficult to understand? Each, so if one person is clicking on ride and repair, Google is going to charge. If a person is clicking on ride and repair ad, Google is going to charge 20 rupees for each click. And if 20 people are clicking like that, how much is going to be charged to ride and repair?
400.
Yes. Now on spending this 400 rupees, 20 people have visited their website, fine, but only one has inquired, where is your service station? I will visit there. And what is the cost per lead now? Cost per lead is also 400 rupees now, correct? You spend 400 rupees just to get one inquiry. Now, in case if you have received two inquiries from this 400 spent, what is the cost per lead? 200. What is the cost per lead, everybody, guys?
200, sir.
Yeah. And if four people have inquired with you, what is the cost per lead?
100, sir.
Yes. So Google's main responsibility, it's not even responsibility. Google says, boss, I will get the traffic to your website. It's your headache to convert or not to convert. Right? I'm going to get 1000 people to my website spending 10 rupees per user. 1000 into 10 rupees is going to be 10,000 rupees. Correct? Now let's assume I am selling shoes on my website. And all my shoes are belonging to only one brand and size of only 7. Out of this 1000 I would get only 10 sales, correct? And each pair of shoe is costing only 1000 rupees, so I made only 10,000 rupees. By spending 10,000 rupees I made only 10,000 sale. If you had multiple variations, multiple brands, multiple sizes, multiple colors, everything, probably you would have made 100 sales. If you make 100 sales, your revenue will be 1 lakh. Correct? For the same 10,000 rupees spent, your revenue can be 10,000 or 1 lakh or can be 10 lakhs also. It completely depends on business. Right? So the CPC is what we are speaking about, 10 rupees, 20 rupees. See, these are going to be charged based on the industry, based on the say digital marketing training. If you have to show your business ads, if Canva Digital has to show ads for term like digital marketing training, digital marketing course, digital marketing institute, Google might charge somewhere, somewhere around 50 rupees to 100 rupees per click. When it comes to car repair near me, Google might charge just 20 rupees. And when it comes to buy shoes online, it might charge just 10 rupees. And if it is something else, this keeps varying. How do we understand this? How do we understand? First thing we have to understand what is the CPC, because we are going to understand how much it's going to cost us as well, right? Cost per acquisition. We call it as cost per lead. Some businesses, lead is important. Sale you won't be able to track. And eventually, once you speak to them and convert them, then cost per acquisition. How much did you spend to acquire one customer is cost per acquisition, right? So if you are selling, what is the first example? Yeah, if you are providing car repair services and if you have 10 registrations, the cost per acquisition is 40 rupees. By spending 400 rupees, if you are having 10 people registering, 10 people opting your services, the cost per acquisition is just 40 rupees. It's called as cost per acquisition or cost per lead now. Okay. Both are different in some industries. When there is an intermediate stage called lead, they'll inquire, they'll speak, but they will not become your customers. So if you're selling shoes online, there is no lead. Either they buy or they don't buy, correct? They don't wait. Do you call Flipkart and inquire? Amazon and inquire? No, right? So they calculate it as cost per acquisition. So how much did they spend to acquire a customer? To acquire a sale, they must have spent 100 rupees and they must have sold 5,000 rupees worth product or 1000 or sometimes 200 rupees worth product also. Okay. See, first thing is understanding this, how much it's going to cost my business. Should I be running the ads or not is super important. And how do we understand this part? Anybody has any idea? How do we understand how much does Google charge me if I have to show an ad like this on Google? Okay. So Google helps you with that information. Okay. So Google has an amazing tool called as Google Keyword Planner. It's not just helping you with how much it charges you per click. It helps you to understand how are people searching on Google and how much it costs for you to get a traffic and what kind of searches it has. How many people are searching car repair near me? What all different variations people are using? People might search car repair near me, car service center, car service station, car service near me, car repair near me, correct? So this way we don't know. People must be using few tens or hundreds sometimes terms, and each term CPC might vary. Car repair near me might cost you 20 rupees, whereas car service center might cost you 10 rupees. And car service station might cost 25 rupees, and car service station near me might cost only 5 rupees. See, all of them are getting the same kind of business. Whether you search buy mangoes or mangoes online or order mangoes online, correct? Buy mangoes in Bangalore or buy mangoes near me, all of them are the intention is to buy the mangoes only, correct? But now the CPs is vary. So as a digital marketer, it's crucial to understand how much it costs each of these keywords, how much a click cost for each of these keywords. Correct? See, using 20 rupees keyword, a keyword which is costing, we call it as cost per click. If it is charging 20 rupees, what is the cost per click? 20. So the cost per click is 10 rupees. Now to get the same 20 visitors, your cost incurred or the budget or expenses for 20 visits is just 200 rupees. In earlier case, it was 400 rupees when the CPC was 20 rupees. Now when your CPC is just 10 rupees, the cost or the expense is just 200 rupees to get 20 people. And out of this 20 people, if you are getting 10 leads, the cost per acquisition or cost per lead or cost per sale is just to 20 rupees. Are you all getting it? So we'll do a small exercise to understand better on this part. You will get an idea. Okay. So first thing, even before we do that exercise, let's understand how to get this data. Do you all remember keyword planner? We had a class discussion about keyword research, keyword planner. How many of you remember that? No one remembers it?
Sir, is it something about the keywords are like, for example, if you are visiting any places, putting that words,
Sorry, sorry,
the
sorry.
keywords is what the bot searches to give all the content from all the website and show it.
No, 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 no. Keyword research is different.
For example, if there is a Kandra, so it goes to all the website and everything, wherever that word Kandra is there and it will display.
No, 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 no. Nothing as such. So keyword planner is simple to understand. See, now you run a business. Let's assume everybody here in this row runs their own business. And are you not keen to understand how people search on Google? So exactly the tool does the same thing. It helps you to understand how are people querying your business. How are people querying your business and how many are querying using that particular term A, B, C, D, right? And then what is the cost incurred if you have to buy the traffic from Google? So they're going to provide those kinds of details. So look at this: buy mangoes online. So let me not put all of them. I'll just put only one. Just take a look at it. So it gave you 245 keywords. How are people searching buy mangoes online? 1900 searches, and this will be much higher. This will be around 7,000 searches during the season, during April month, and later and all it will be down. Competition is very high, and how much it costs for you to get one click is around 7 rupees. And when you have to show it in the extreme top on the Google search results, top of the page bid high range, low range is 7 rupees, high range is 51 rupees. Mangoes itself might cost 100 rupees per kg or 50 rupees. We farmers know how much they cost, and they are spending 51 rupees just to get one click, and we have no clue if that person is going to buy the mangoes or not. Even after spending 51 rupees and you get the traffic to the website, we don't know whether that person is going to buy them or not. Okay, mango, see, Alfonso mango price 9,900 searches, and during season it will be 15,000, 27,000 searches. People like this a lot, right? Okay, so now if you go through this, let's download this. See, this is the first activity you should be doing if you are planning to run Google search campaigns for your business. Okay, you are not supposed to simply go and execute the ads. See, that's what is happening with digital marketers. They know how to use this platform options, and they just go and execute the ads. No, even before they start, they have to do this background work, the basic work, understanding how much it costs. Should they be really running the ads or not running the ads? This is what we have downloaded now, right? And revenue you cannot really predict, but if you are an experienced professional already, if you have run a campaign previously last week, you will have people are buying 2 kgs 3 kgs minimum, and an 5 kgs 10 kgs also, but average people are buying 5 kgs. Okay, so let's assume the average quantity purchased is 5 kgs, and each kg price is 100 rupees. So 5 kgs into 100 is 500 rupees, correct? Ticket, I call it as ticket price. Ticket price, and now the total revenue made will be ticket price into this one, ticket price into number of sales, this one into this one. Okay, total revenue made. Okay, even before this, something that we have to count is the cost per sale. Cost per sale. Cost per sale, how do we calculate? Equal to total cost incurred for 100 clicks. This one divided by total sales is the cost per sale. Give me 1 second, guys, everybody. Hello. Did you all understand this part? The cost per sale is this much. To get one sale, it's costing you 579 rupees. Correct? To get one sale through this keyword mangoes online, it's costing you 262 rupees. Correct? Which is the lowest here? Which is the lowest of all here? 190. Correct? 273. 73 is the lowest. So maybe I'll focus only on these keywords. I'll not bid on all the keywords. I'll start bidding only on chaser mango online. So because the conversions or competition is very low, or sales that I am getting from this keyword, the cost per sale is only 73 rupees. And when I do one sale, I get 500 rupees. 500 rupees into 20 sales is 10,000 rupees. Just by spending 1500 rupees, I'm making a revenue of 10,000 rupees. Okay, so there are a couple of other things to be calculated here, and whichever is giving you more revenue, that's the best keyword. Which is giving you more revenue? This last one, ignore this last one, this is on total. I should delete this number at all. This is average cost per sale. Okay, so see, look at this. When CPC is low, automatically your revenue made will be very high. So basically, when conversion rates are high, conversion rate is 20%. If I make this 10%, it changes. So it got increased to 147, and the revenue made is just 5,000 rupees. Are you all getting it? I'll increase this to 15%, and the cost per acquisition came to 98, and the revenue made is 7,500. This is how it varies. Yeah, the outcome that you reap from each of these keywords varies on the CPC, majorly the conversion rate. See, CPC is not a big deal, plus or minus, or CPCs can be almost the same. See, this is 14.68 rupees, in fact higher than this 12.31, correct? Higher than that, correct? And closer to 17, but still the outcome that it makes largely depends on conversion rates. So conversion rates is completely in control of digital marketer or business owners. See, if people are speaking to you, let's say if people, you will go to a digital marketing training institute, you will speak to them, but you will not register with them. What could be the possible reason? You will visit a digital marketing training institute and you will not register, you will visit 10 institutes, correct? And you will just register with only one. Tell me the reason why you did not register with the remaining 9 institutes. I am asking a very simple question to all of you. I really appreciate You people answering to it?
Sir, it could be like maybe I didn't like the course content, or next could be like I didn't like the way they explained to me.
Okay. What else? What else? Everybody, please contribute. What else it could be? Why did you
It
decide to
could
register? When will you decide to
it
register
could be
with?
out of the budget.
Okay. Yeah, exactly the same. See, all these are something that can be understood by the digital marketer and they can effectively communicate your web page basically. See, now you have made a physical visit to the institute and tried to understand their credibility or their prices, their curriculum or whatsoever it is, their ambience, right? The experience of the trainer, right? There's so many things on basis of that the conversions will happen, right? So now if training institute XYZ questions X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, we all are in Bangalore only, we all are in the same area only, but why are sales not happening for us? And why are sales happening for some other institutes? It's because of the reasons that you are explaining. And same way, your web page conversion rates vary accordingly. See, now let's consider this to be as Training Institute 1. This is Training Institute 1, this is Training Institute 2, Training Institute 3. Of course, the conversion rates will vary, correct? See, they are asking you for SEO course and you are explaining performance marketing. We provide only performance marketing and they will not register with you. They are asking for Amazon Seller Central course and you are speaking about Facebook course. They'll not register in those scenarios. So your web pages are like salespeople. You all told me that I did not like the way how they have explained it to me. Exactly the same happens. People will not like your web page or the kind of information that you have put the way you are presenting. Once you get the traffic to your website, the conversion rates largely depend on. See, let's assume the quality of traffic is same. The conversion rates largely depend on what is that you are providing to them. See, now you are selling Kesar mangoes only, and now when people visit your web page, there are good chances of they buying it. And but when people use term like buy mangoes online, and if you are selling only this particular variety, the chances of they buying will be very less. And if they are searching Kesar mango, they are asking for Kesar mango, and you are selling Kesar mango, then what happens? The conversion rates will be the chances of they buying will be high. That's called as conversion rates. Conversion rate is the measure of number of sales against the total number of people inquired with you. Sales divided by enquiries or sales divided by traffic in case if it's a direct purchase. Into percentage is a conversion rate. Okay. So did you all get that? Now we have further calculations on top of this. Total revenue made. So which one is really profitable, giving you more returns, and which one is not giving you more returns? Let's understand that as well. So now when you make one sale, the money that you make is 500 rupees. Okay. If you are selling 500 rupees worth product, you will be making a profit of only 100. So let's assume you are buying mangoes at 400 rupees for 5 kgs, 400 rupees, and you are selling 5 kgs at 500 rupees. Are you all following this? Are you all getting this?
Yes.
Margins are just 100 rupees. You are buying them at 400 rupees and you are selling them at 500 rupees. So what is the margin? 100 rupees. You are buying 5 kgs at 400 and selling at 500 rupees. The margin made is just 100 rupees. So now we'll calculate what is the return here. Return, look at this, equal to the cost incurred itself is 579. So you are in negative. Where is your profit now? Your profit is only here. And that too, what is the profit here? It's just 2 rupees. So if you have these kinds of conversion rates and if you have to invest this much on each click, there's no point of you running ads. See nothing. It's not even like, let me. So returns. Look at the returns. Oh, sorry. It has to be seen on the total this thing. So total sales are here 5, right? 2,500 minus. So we have to calculate this based on this margins. Since 5 sales, cost per sale, ticket price. Yeah, yeah. This is fine. This is fine. This is correct only. So in fact, per sale, you are spending per cost per sale 579 cost per sale. Yeah, for one sale. This is correct. For one sale, you are spending 500 rupees. But after that sale, the profit, the margins that you get is only 100 rupees. Now, what is the loss incurred? 479 rupees loss incurred. Now, how can this get better? See now your conversion rates. See either your CPCs has to come down. Look at this magic. I'll change the CPCs of all of these keywords to just 10 rupees. What happened now? Now here 33 rupees profit. Here it is break even. No profit, no loss. Everywhere it's loss. And here it is 33 rupees profit. So your CPCs, you are bidding on keywords which is costing you very less. Plus additionally, your web pages, your marketing pictures, everything is great, and you are increasing it to 20%. So now what happens? Let's see. Look at this now. 20% everywhere. Yeah. From every keyword, the returns that you get is. See now look at this. Cost per sale is just 50 rupees. And your margins are still 100 rupees. 100 minus 50 is 50. 50 is still profit. So now you can run Google Ads. And now if this drops to 10%, you cannot run Google Ads. It's break even. Even if it is 15%, you can run because you will make 25 rupees still. 33 rupees, not 25, 33 rupees. Depending on CPCs, it's varying. So even this is profitable, right? Which will be minus now. Let's assume this is just 5%. This is minus 100 rupees. Even if it is 7%, minus 43 rupees. Are you all getting this, guys? So your marketing returns or outcome depends on CPC and very largely depends on conversion rates and the kind of margins that you have on the products. If you have this kind of lean, very small margins, there is no point of running ads. If you are selling something very expensive or expensive product, let's take the scenario, same thing, let's take the scenario, next scenario is selling a course. Selling a course worth 35,000 rupees. Okay. So now let's take the keyword. This is some XYZ keyword. The CPC is 40 rupees. The CPC is 50. The CPC is 60. The CPC is 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay. CPCs. And what is this? Clicks. Same again. You will be doing the same math. Let me copy paste this. Are you all following me? Everybody? Yeah. So now look at this. When CPC is 40 rupees for 100 clicks, the cost incurred is, I have to change the math. It should be 100 into 40 equal to 100 into 40. That's 4,000 rupees. Okay. Conversion rates, sales count. Okay, conversion rate, uh, sales count, cost per sale. Ticket price is 35,000 rupees. Correct? total revenue margins. There is no margin at all if the person himself is the trainer. Okay, I'll come back to it. So let's assume trainer is charging 30,000 rupees, or let's say trainer is charging 20,000 rupees per head, and the margins, if 20,000 rupees course price is sold at 35,000 rupees, the margin is 15,000. Correct, guys? Everybody? So let's assume the trainer is charging 20,000 rupees per head. Okay. And now if you are a training company and executing this in this way, or if you are a marketer bringing business for the trainer, so the margin is, if you are selling it at 35,000 rupees, and of the 35,000, straight away 20,000 is going to the trainer per head, and 50,000 is what the margin you make, right? Now look at the returns. So now 4,000 cost per click, 100 clicks cost. See, conversion rates will be very poor here. Okay. Cost per sale is 2,000 rupees, 1,400 rupees, 2,000 rupees. See, even when your cost per sale, see now what's happening here, when conversion rate is 2%, this indicates out of 100 people, only 2 people are registering for the course. When 2 people registers for the course, the total revenue made is only 70,000, because 35,000 rupees per head. When 2 people buy the course, the revenue made is 70,000 rupees. See, even when the conversion rate is just 1%, even only one purchases from 100 people. Now look at this, what's happening. The cost per sale is 10,000 rupees, ticket price is 35, total revenue made is 35, margins is 15,000. So still 5,000 profits. Do you see that? And now instead of 100 here, if you are getting 1,000 clicks, see, now let me take this scenario, okay, to 1,000. So I'll give a space. Instead of 100, I'll get 1,000. 1%, 10 sales count, cost per sale 10,000 rupees, 35. It's still the same. When you get 1,000 clicks, that always remains. Cost incurred 10,000 rupees, 1%. So here it is measured per ticket. The return is measured per ticket here. So what we have to do is we have to do it into number of sales. Returns 13,000 into, how many sales are you making? You are making 2 sales. See, though the conversion rate is 1%, though cost per sale is costing 10,000 rupees, the total revenue made still is, the total profit, this is total profit made is 50,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees, 36,000, 52,000, 68,000. See, 52,000 conversion rate is 4%. See, when you do it in the large scale, automatically your profits will be high. Mainly you will be making some profit, otherwise you will not make profit. Are you all getting this, guys? Everybody, are you all understanding this? How we understand if that's really working out for the business or not? Okay. So did you all get that how to calculate the returns from the ads? This is into total number of sales. Total loss incurred is this much. Profit or loss that you will be making out of your total spend or total spend of this much. Okay. So if we have to do this, understand if your marketing campaign is really working, you just do sum of all of this, you will get an idea. So equal to sum of all of this. So when you spend total of 33,000 rupees, 17,000 rupees is the loss. You spent 33,000 rupees and you got 1500 people to the website. Out of this 1500, the total sales that you made is equal to sum of total sales you made is this much. 156 sales, cost per sale is equal to average. Okay, ticket price is 500 rupees. Total revenue you made is again sum. Total revenue you made is only 78,000 rupees. Total revenue you made is 78,000 rupees and margins are just 100 rupees on each sale. But cost incurred is very high and hence you are at loss of, after making 156 sales, you are at loss, you spent 33,000 to get 156 sales. The total revenue made is 78,000 and still you are at loss of 17,000 rupees. If you had made sales of at least, let's say 1 lakh rupees, it would have been break even. If you had made 1.5 lakh sales, you would have been profitable by 20,000 to 50,000 rupees. Are you all understanding this? Difficult to understand? I'll summarize this to understand if your ad campaign is going to give any kind of returns to you or not. You need to understand the CPC, cost per click. Second thing, your outcome completely depends on the conversion rates. So this will be in control to an extent for digital marketers. See, they are landing on your website, add to cart is not working, or there are no mango variations, or you're not explaining about the product properly. Your website is like a cartoon website, it's not appealing. So the conversion rate, which could have been 20%, will drop to just 2%. Ideally, if you had spoken nicely to a person, you would have built a relation, a rapport, friendship, everything would have happened, correct? And now just because you were very rude to them, you could not build any kind of relation with the person, correct? Same way, when your web page is not that great, not appealing, the conversion rates will drop. What happens if the conversion rate drops? If conversion rate drops, the total number of sales from the same number of people will come down. The total, see, that's the reason here sales count is varying. 10, 100, every keyword has got 100 clicks. Every keyword has got 100 clicks, but the sales are same? No. Some keywords are getting nearly 17, 19 sales and some keyword has got only 3 sales or 2 sales or even 1 sale. What happens? The spend will not vary, right? For 100 people, what is the spend? 100 people spend is on an average. So I'll do the average as well here, equal to average of from here to here. So to get 100 people on average, you're spending 2,200 rupees. To get 100 people to your website, you are spending 2,200 rupees. And if you get only one sale, you'll be making only 500 rupees revenue. 2,200 minus 500 or 500 minus 2,200, it will be 1,700 rupees loss per sale. How will you get into profit as instead of one sale, you have to go to 19 sales. You have to do 19 sales. How can you do 19 sales? Conversion rates have to improve. When will the conversion rates improve? When everybody are selling kg at 200 rupees. If you are selling at 3,000 rupees, gone. Nobody will buy. Or let's assume price is same, everybody's competitors give us, but the communication is not good. Add to cart is not working. You're not selling multiple variations. You are selling low quality fruits, or your fruits are very good but photo is not good. Even the photo, the color of your website, the font size, the presentation, everything impacts on your conversion rates. So now business owners, lot of business owners don't understand this part. They'll not even have a proper website. Their website will be the ugliest on the earth, and they will still come and say, I have a budget of 50,000 rupees or 1 lakh or 1 crore. Tell me how much money can you get to me? Boss, your outcome depends on the conversion rate, and conversion rate depends on how well the product is presented on your web page. Because as a digital marketer, I ensure always traffic comes from buy mangoes online, not what is the meaning of mango or types of mangoes or what is the spelling of mango. I'll not get such kind of traffic. My traffic is going to be amazing. As a digital marketer, I ensure that I'll get very high quality traffic. But do you really have the best website which can have best conversion rates? He has no answer. Business owner, most of the times, 99% of the times, they don't have answers, or they don't understand this part. Now digital marketers has to take the responsibility of building an appealing page. That's when a concept comes into the picture. Now digital marketer, what he does, performance marketer or Google Ads expert, what he does, boss, let your website be like that, whatever it is. I'm going to build a new unique experience for your users. I'm going to build a page as per my understanding. I know when will people like to purchase with you. When the image is super good, when you speak everything properly on the web page. So this concept, now he comes up with a new landing page. In performance marketing, Google AdWords expert commonly use this term called as landing page. They build a new page and they get all the traffic to their page, not to the web, to their previous old web page or old website. It's the same website. On the same website, they will build a one more new page and they get traffic to the new landing page, new web page. Because the previous old page was built by someone, it's not as expected. The images are not proper, the communication is not proper. Now AdWords professional ask them to build a new page as per his expectations without disturbing the previous old pages. Okay, so you start noticing it. Some people website, you visit their website and browse the web pages, they'll be different, but when you visit from the ads, their web page and their experience will be different. So this conversion rate decides your success largely. Of course, CPCs also play a very crucial role. Okay. So now sometimes business product is like that. You're not making more than 500 rupees. See, even in case of 1% conversion rate, you are still profitable. You are still making revenue because the ticket price is high and the margins are very high. Correct? You are selling 100 rupees kg per mango, and now here it is 35,000 rupees ticket price. Now think of you selling 3,50,000 worth course. You can do that exercise here on this sheet. Okay, so I'll just save this, or maybe I'll copy paste this data. Okay, I'll copy paste from here, or maybe all of this. Anybody has questions with regard to the topics that we discussed today? Did you all understand how to calculate the cost per acquisition and the returns? Or that conditional formatting, everything is wrong. So what I'll do is, call them as search ads. Okay, and also all of you please mark your attendance here. Okay, many of you have not marked the attendance. Please mark it. So I'll just take a screenshot of this. Okay, so please go through this. Maybe if possible I'll send this attachment also or email to all of you. Let me save it. Okay, but anyways you have the reference sheet here. We just start uh, doing the same calculations on any Excel sheet. Okay, so from tomorrow we'll start launching the actual search campaigns. We'll start with launching one of the search campaigns. Okay. So let me know if anybody has any questions with regard to today's discussions. If nobody has any questions, we'll wind it up for today, and we'll discuss tomorrow. Yeah, we'll start with launching the campaigns. Yeah, can we wind it up for today, everybody?
Okay.
Yes.
Did you all understand today's discussion, the calculation part?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks. Then we'll connect back tomorrow. Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.